the questions I get a lot actually about the sourdough is, what do you do after you make the sourdough starter? So here's the starter. I used it a couple days ago. It's got some water on top. Okay, so that's not a big deal. So what we do is take our lid off. That's my sourdough starter. I'm just gonna pour that out in the sink. Okay, so you can see the water, the liquid stuff is gone. And to feed it, we're gonna dump out approximately half of this and then add more water and flour. The reason we do that is because if we just keep adding water and flour to this every single time we feed it, it's going to be enormous, and then we're going to have to use huge amounts of flour and water, and it's going to get expensive. So that's why we dump out half of it. However, usually when I dump out half of it, I use that to make another loaf. This isn't quite ready, so I'm going to discard more of this. If it's bubbly and usable, you can just use it to make a brand new loaf. I'm just going to dump out a little bit more of this. Again, I'm eyeballing approximately half. Hi, this is Pizza. Pizza says hi. He loves helping me make bread. He actually always hangs out with me in the kitchen. It's super cool. I'll take a knife. Scrape the sides too if you can. All that stuff is good bacteria. Okay, so you can see like this is the consistency it is right now. You want your consistency somewhere in between pancake batter and peanut butter. You can have it thinner or thicker if you like, but this is what I usually go for. You can see this isn't a lot of starter. Next time I make a loaf, I'll just use half of this and then feed it again. I do this every other day. If I leave it out on the counter, maybe every 3 days, depending on temperature, humidity, all that crap. And if I'm not going to use it for like 5 days or more, I'll just keep it in the fridge. When you take it out, you just have to feed it a few more times before it gets strong enough to make a good loaf of bread. Please send me more questions. Hopefully I can answer them. Hopefully this answered that for you. I can see your tail, Pizza. Good boy.